Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Team Charter Academy on the main campus here in Stockton, California, home of the Titans. Here in the cafeteria where we had 2 assemblies today for grades TK through 5. And the focus for today's topic was perseverance, right? Meaning not to quit, like it says on the screen here, one of the slides from the presentation. It says don't quit, but it also says do it, right? It means to always keep trying, always keep doing our best. And I've been here multiple times in the past. We talked on a number of different themes. But the focus today again was perseverance. The sub-theme was to have a growth mindset. And someone that has a growth mindset is someone that's always willing to learn, willing to get better, keep improving day after day after day. They might say, look, I haven't learned this yet, but I will. They might say that, making a mistake doesn't make me a mistake. Failing doesn't make me a failure, right? If I can't figure it out a certain way, I'm just gonna try another one until I get it, right? And we have to know that there's so many opportunities around us that these challenges in our lives, the things that are not easy, they can make us stronger if we let them. And so many times though we feel defeated after we try something once or twice and we just want to give up. We have our head down, we're feeling down, feeling sad. That's why I wear this shirt for the particular program today. It says keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose because if you're feeling sad, looking down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To always keep thinking positive no matter what. And this means that we change our mindset, right? It's so easy to focus on the negative. The person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We don't want to be telling ourselves something negative. We want to tell ourselves something positive to create a new healthy habit, right? Of being kind to our mind. And it's not just changing the words of how we talk to ourselves, but how we talk to others too. And that starts with understanding this concept, something I bring up in every one of my assemblies because it's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you have at least one in each hand. And this M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this in our hearts, right, where it starts, then we can go and be that light to someone else's heart, right? To help them, support them, encourage them the right way, build them up even higher than ourselves. That's what true leaders do, right? That's what Titan leaders do. And it's such an honor always to keep, coming back year after year, to keep growing on what we've already spoken about, some other really important topics. But, to see the head nods, to see the pin drop moments with the students from the inspirational videos and the positive hip hop, the powerful stories, all of that combined, the visual aid props, it's really cool to see that they get it, right? That they know sometimes if they visualize that success, then they're gonna have it, right? If we already think that we're gonna fail, or we think that we're not gonna, make the shot or get the right score, on a certain exam, a test, a certain subject in school, well then we're probably gonna have that self-fulfilling prophecy where, we're not going to make it because we've already told ourselves that we can't, right? That we can't do it, that we're not gonna have success. When in reality, if we can just in our mind already see that success happening, right? Usually it's probably gonna happen. And maybe not the first time, maybe not the second time, but we keep going and going and going until we reach our goal, right? Until we accomplish our dream, whatever that ends up being, right? And so I think that's something huge because even if we do miss it, even if we do make a mistake, it's not the end of the world, right? We at least tried our best, and that's all the adults in our life want from us, is that we're just trying our hardest each and every day, right? Being our best self, being the best version of who we can be for this community, for our school, for this planet. And in doing so, we make this entire world a better place. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another beautiful day here at Team Charter Maine. Hope to be back in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.